Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Designed by Deshe. As always, I am Audrey Deshe, and guys, I am so excited about today's project. We are going to be making a fall centerpiece, and I just want to get right into it. So I'm going to take my drill and my pilot drill bit, and I'm going to be drilling 2 holes simultaneously side by side through these plaques so that I can thread a zip tie through them to hold them securely. So I'm just going to let you guys see that process. Alright, I got my holes drilled, and just for more security, I am going to go in with my hot glue gun and my Gorilla Glue sticks and add a liberal amount just to make sure that all of this is held together, and you guys will see why in just a few seconds. Just a quick note, whenever you are gluing this back together, please make sure that you're lining up your holes, because if you don't, it is going to make the process of threading the zip tie through like a nightmare. So I was sure to line everything up and measure everything so that they're stacked right on top of each other. This way I'm going to have a super stable base for the centerpiece. The next order of business is getting rid of this trick or treat message on these plaques. While that would be cute if we were focusing on Halloween, we are in fall form. So I am just going to take a piece of fall ribbon and, attach it to the bottom using a liberal amount of hot glue. And most of it's not going to show anyway because this is the bottom, but just in case anything peeks through, I definitely want it to have the same color scheme and, just match the whole vibe in general. So that's what we're doing now. Alright guys, now we're getting to the fun part. I am going to take 2 pumpkin wreath forms that I got from Dollar Tree. If you've seen any of my other videos, then you know that I have a bunch of these and I have used them in a couple of different ways. Today, I am going to join them together and staple them down to this base that I built out of the Halloween plaques, and then I'm going to fill it and decorate the outside as a wild rustic fall centerpiece. I will leave the link for my other pumpkin wreath form videos in the description box just in case you're curious as to how else I've used them. As I'm getting this stapled down, I just wanted to mention that every single thing that you are going to see me use to build and decorate this fall centerpiece did come from the Dollar Tree. So guys, not only is it super fun, super easy, super cute, but it is super budget friendly. It's a great way to get a handcrafted, very unique, like tailor-made fall piece without having to break the bank. And it's a great craft to do with your family, your kids. You can get everyone involved, or if you're just kind of bored looking for something to do and you want to decorate, this took maybe half an hour, maybe. And now that our base is built, I am going to show you how I chose to decorate mine. I hope you guys like it. I'll be popping in here and there with some little tips and tricks and tidbits, but aside from that, I'm just going to let you guys watch. If you know me, or if you've watched any of my videos, then you know that I love me some fall garland. It is so easy to use, it's cheap, it's fun, it's a great way to fill in a wreath, or as you're about to see, fill out a centerpiece form. This is a great way to just take up a lot of real estate without having to do too much, and I'm just draping it over because I love my rustic, wild, overgrown look, so that's what I'm doing now. If you notice the centerpiece is leaning, that is normal because it's sitting in staples. You can just push it back and it'll pretty much stay where you put it. But if you're not comfortable with that, you can just add more staples to the bottom. I feel pretty secure that it's good, and also I didn't feel like, starting over, so I didn't. But again, if that's what you want, please feel free, if you're doing this at home, to just add more staples to the bottom and it will stop some of that shifting. There's not much space inside, so I can't overstuff this. I'm just put my straw person in there, my little pumpkin with the flower on top, and then, I'm going to add some different flowers inside to just kind of fill it, and then I'll mostly be working on the outside. I will also be using the same zip tie bundle method in this video that I've used in a lot of my other videos. This is a really quick, easy, discreet way to attach things to the wreath form, and as long as you're just careful with the fastener placement, they're pretty much invisible. If you notice, I am adding a few flowers and details to the back. While this will primarily be viewed from the front, it is 3D, so you can view it from every angle, and I don't want there to just be obvious bare spots if you look at it from the back. So while I'm not giving it as much love as the front, shout out to the back. These little glitter clip leaves are some of my favorite finds from the Dollar Tree. They come 2 to a pack, and they're kind of perfect for this because they add just a little glitz. They do come in 3 different fall colors, so I was able to use them very sparingly and just kind of add that nice little pop of glitter and sophistication at odd intervals, and it really helped add something nice to the back. I went with a pre-made bow again on this one just because, this is already really busy, and, I thought it was just like the perfect color, so I used my zip tie to secure that as well. And there you have it, guys. This is my custom Dollar Tree fall centerpiece that I love so much, and I hope that you do too. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me for a little bit. Please like, share, subscribe. I have tons of things coming out. I have a few videos out already, and I want you to see them. So hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys on the next one.